The Industrial Tribunal recording a first in the justice system, also leading the way in the court reform initiative. Fern Carey sat down with the president of the tribunal, who gave details on the initiative, which has effectively updated and modernized the court.
The Industrial Tribunal is now the first smart court in the country, which means that all of its operations are digitized, online, and integrated, paving the way for easier access to justice and more efficient service in resolving trade disputes for legal advocates at the three courts here in New Providence and on Grand Bahama. Court President Indira Demerit Francis says the digitization of the Industrial Tribunal is the realization of a dream.
We have the case management solution, which allows us to track cases from inception to disposal, final disposition. And then we have the e-filing portal, which allows counsel and attorney from outside to be able to access their files that they're parties to through our case management system and to upload documents from their offices. And we have the automated hearing transcription, which allows cases while being heard to be transcribed into documents.
The push towards modernizing the operations of the Industrial Tribunal began back in 2015 when Demerit Francis was appointed court president. She says a 3-year inventory of court files shortly afterwards revealed a number of outstanding issues that needed to be urgently addressed. Once completed, the move resulted in the efficient case management system now in play at the tribunal.
Cases were being settled, but were not being properly recorded within the institution, so the matters looked as though they were always open. We had situations where the Section 60 of the Industrial Relations Act, which allows the tribunal to encourage settlements, was not being used much as it should have been to cause disposition of files in a more timely manner. And then we had files where there were deceased persons, where the files were never closed the deceased was the applicant, and so the file was never heard and the file could not be closed. Had companies that no longer existed.
Fern Carey, ZNS Network News.